Hi everyone, I'm Angelo Sorbella and I'm the founder of LinkDelta. LinkDelta is a platform that makes it easy to create content for your business or your everyday life, from blog posts to social media to creative ads that can capture your target market's attention and get new potential customers. So I will show you how our platform can become a game changer for you and some of the features that I think you're gonna find very exciting. Creating content is not easy. I've been doing it my whole career and life, and coming up with new creative ideas that can stand out and get our customers' attention, it's not straightforward. Sometimes it's just don't know. Well, you just have a writer block. You don't really know what to write. Sometimes in my everyday life, I need to reply to a specific email, and I don't know how to phrase certain things. So I wanted to use AI to get us some new ideas and make this whole process way more straightforward. And I think you're gonna find very interesting what and exciting what you're gonna see. So I will just jump right in and begin showing you the platform. So what you can do with the platform is creating, like, you can go on templates and you already have a lot of different content like templates and structures, models that you can use and to get content in just a few seconds. It goes from creating a whole blog article out of, like, from scratch in a few minutes, to getting a new blog post, a new social media post, your social media bio, and many other features, including creating code. You can create images. You can use our AI chat to get information and have memory of what the previous documents were created, so that you can have a more straightforward and fluid experience. You can use our AI speech to text to go from your own from a certain recording and getting an accurate transcriptions that you can then reuse to expand it through AI and our other tools. Or you can use text to speech to have the AI speaking a realistic and natural voice, speaking your words. So I will just show you real quick all of the features. And for instance, you can use our own. This is an example of our AI content idea and brief, so that you can get immediately a structure of things to do, for your brand new article. So this is an example from things to do in Florida. It was created in just a few seconds. I will show you how it was created. We went here and I just added things to do in Florida. And in just a few seconds we will get a result. In the meanwhile, I will show you our AI image functionality, where you can just where you can create images based on certain artist styles, certain specific styles, lighting styles and mood. So for instance, something pretty cool that I liked and experimented with is creating an image of just an alchemist, because we create these words and images out of nowhere, out of nothing, out of thin air, pretty much like magic. And let's see what the AI is gonna generate for us. In the meanwhile, this is what the AI created for things to do in Florida, and it gave us tourist attractions, like things to do, and pretty much all of that. So I went and copy and pasted this result into the blog article creator. Here is an image that was created. So now we take this and we give it a cyberpunk style. Let's see what happens. And in the meanwhile, we can start producing this blog article. I just gave instructions like things to do in Miami, Florida, history, beaches, food and drink, nightlife, shopping. This is an alchemist in cyberpunk fashion. I think it's pretty cool, this image. And now we can do it. We can take the same thing And we can take the same image, and instead of a cyberpunk, we can take it and make it Salvador Dali or Picasso. Let's see, or Tim Burton style. Let's do Andy Warhol or Claude Monet, which I think are usually pretty cool. Let's see what we get. And in the meanwhile, this is the whole Miami article that was created out of nothing in just a few seconds. As you can see, it reads well, it pretty much makes sense, and it's connected to the topic that we wanted to have. This is an alchemist created by Monet. I think it's a pretty cool painting. It looks pretty cool. Our AI chat can be used to, for example, create a presentation for an AI tool, a pitch deck or a sales, something like that. Anything that you would like to create, and let's just keep it with presentation of an AI tool. And we can start we can just ask this and see what the AI comes up with. And regarding our AI speech to text, you can just give it some a recording, and it gives you an accurate description of what it says. You can use our AI text to speech and create, say, link delta is AI writing tool. And we can choose the name, if you want a female, the language and everything else, and we get immediately result. Our chat feature is very useful to use for a presentation. It has a memory of your preferences or guidelines. So presentation or anything else, really, you can even ask it to write code. You can ask it for suggestion of where to go for a travel. And it has your personalizations in it. It has a memory of what you want and prefer, so that you can flow and conversate with it. You can even ask it for advice around a specific decision if you want. Take it with a grain of salt, obviously, but yeah, that's something you can do. So this is like an example with a presentation. Ask for a presentation of our platform, make it persuasive and funny, and it created something around out of the box around how our platform can help to overcome procrastination. So that's it, really. You have everything under the same interface to make it extremely easy to use and generate new content that can really send out and get you results. And you can also have onboard your team in it and collaborate with them in some of our plans. You can do so many things, and we are constantly adding new features so to make this the best AI writing platform. Thanks a lot for being a user.